Imagine this scenario that you walk into a hall and find that it is full of over 500 people. And on looking closely, you notice that everybody looks like you, talks like you, smiles like you, and even move their bodies like you. Now my question, how much interesting would a world like that be? Well, not much. The fact is, it takes all kinds of people to make the world. There's nobody like you who looks like you or talks like you, thinks like you, walks like you, or acts like you. You are unique, you are an original. But the problem is the people around you want to mold you and want you to conform to their ways. And this they do by making you feel guilty and blackmailing you emotionally so that you conform. Now, we all bring some special talents with us, and hence we all are capable of making some unique contributions to the world. So stop conforming yourself to what others want, or you will curse yourself for not being you. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.